I am 34 years old, single, and currently 188 pounds. I haven't always been overweight. I gained a lot of it in college and even more once I started a sedentary job. I used to dance probably 4 to 6 hours a day, so weight was never really something I worried about. I ate what I wanted, when I wanted, and burned it all off at practices and performances. Once I went off to college, I didn't make many friends. I was so socially awkward and didn't know how to make friends in a new environment, so I ate. I ate out of boredom mostly. It gave me something to do, to look forward to. Then when I got into some bad relationships after college, that's when things got worse. Food was always a comfort to me, and even more so when I got in those bad relationships. It was hard on me. And even though I'm single now, I still have all those bad habits I'm trying to break. I'm hoping documenting my journey will help. I'm only 5'2", so 188 pounds is a lot of weight on a short frame. My goal is to get down to 130 pounds and a size 6 or 8. I actually started losing weight in January and lost 3.2 pounds. I documented most of it on Instagram. Now I'm really ramping it up and documenting it everywhere. Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, and my blog. I am definitely 100% in. This week's meal plan is avocado toast for breakfast, yogurt with berries for a morning snack, fruit salad for an afternoon snack, and I'll be rotating between 3 different meals for lunches and dinner: skinny taste carne guisada, creamy goat cheese pasta, and cauliflower crust veggie pizza. This week's workout plan is a combination of workout classes at the gym and workout DVDs. Monday will be a workout DVD. Tuesday is a class at the gym, Step It Up. Wednesday is another DVD. Thursday, a Zumba class at the gym. Friday, flexibility and core DVD workouts. And Saturday will be a master step class at the gym. Oh my God, that was a hard workout. I have not burned that many calories and I don't know how long. I burned 617 calories. I've got a long ways to go, but today felt really good. So today was kind of a shitty day. I literally had to shut my door and cry for 10 minutes. I guess there's an issue going on with a coworker and I. It was just a little rough today. Not gonna lie, all I wanted to do was go home and stick my hand in a bag of chips and eat the entire bag. Also, today after work, I have to run to an old apartment complex that I used to live at because a package got delivered for some reason to a place that I lived, like, I don't know, 6 years ago. So I gotta go there and pick it up. So I'm not gonna make the class that I wanted to go to at the gym today. So I'm gonna have to figure out what I'm gonna do. To be honest, I don't want to do anything, but I'm gonna try to force myself to do something. So yeah, that was my day. Shitty day. I am ready to go to bed. So I ended up going for a walk and my legs are frozen. I took Luna for a walk and now I'm gonna look for a DVD to do. Probably a short step class since I was supposed to go to a step class at the gym today, so I'm gonna try to find a DVD to do, but short. This one wins. I wanted to keep my workout 20 to 30 minutes, so I'm gonna do the all-step premix from Step, Jump, and Pump. honest, I'm kind of hungry right now, but I've already almost hit my calories for the day, and I think I have like 30 calories left, and I don't want to go over it, so I'm kind of going to bed hungry. I know that's maybe not a good thing, but I know too that I need to get used to not eating so much. Like in the past, I would sometimes eat back the calories when I worked out, but it never worked out good. So I'm trying to keep the calories lower, but yeah, that's about it. Say goodnight, Luna. Say goodnight. It is Saturday morning and I just got done at the gym. I took a master step class, but I would say the intensity in the class was maybe low to mid intensity, which is good for me because I'm not used to working out. I was actually really worried that the intensity would be too hard, that I couldn't keep up, but it was really just the choreography that I couldn't keep up with. Part of it was that the instructor was way off on her cues, and she said she was having an off day, so I'll give it another shot next week. We'll see if it gets any better. She also teaches on Tuesday night, so I might go Tuesday night. We'll see. And I also got this. It's Lifetime Fitness Bali shake. Bali something shake. It's alright. It's kind of gross. I don't know that I would get it again. But I'm going to head home. And not sure what I'm going to do today. I don't really have much going on, so that's about it. I'm gonna head home and we'll see what I'm gonna do for the rest of the day. I lost 2.2 pounds. I'm so excited. That is the most that I've lost in a week in a long time, and I know that's really sad. This week was really good. I was on point with food. I stayed under 1,500 calories every day with the exception of Saturday. I didn't go over calories that much on Saturday, so I mean, it wasn't that bad. I didn't follow my workout plan 100%, but I did kind of rearrange my workouts with hitting both my calories and working out 4 days, plus walking every single day. That's what happened. So I'm really excited about that. Next week it's going to be a bit of a challenge. I've got a few things going on, but that you will see in my next video. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any updates. I'll see you next time. Bye.